calculator trick. All right, when you're solving for x, let's say you're given answer choices just like you did here. A is x equals -1, b equals 5, c equals -4, and x equals 10, right? So we're trying to figure out what is the solution to this long multi-step equation right here. All we got to do is solve for x. Now, if you want to take a shortcut, there is a shortcut. It's a little longer than actually solving it out, but let me show you in the calculator. So here we go. Before I start, I need to show you guys something. When I type something in the calculator, I'm going to use an equal sign. The way that I hit that equal sign is going to be, you got to hit the second button, and then you're going to hit math. You're going to hit the math button, and then you want number 1. Let me just make sure. Yep. You want second math, and you want number 1, because number 1 is my equal sign. All right, so this is how you're going to test it. And what the last thing you must know is that when we type in my equation real quick into the calculator, when I type it in, when I get a true statement, which means it makes sense, that is equal to 1. If I get a false statement, stay with me, guys. If I get a false statement, that equals 0. It means true is yes, it's correct. 0, it means it's not correct. All right, so here's what we're going to do. Get my calculator out real quick. Bam. Ooh, actually, I should probably do this. Bam. All right, cool. So what we're going to need to do is, actually, let me show you what I mean by true statement and a false statement. So 5, I'm going to hit second math. I want that equal sign. Damn, are you really? Sorry, freaking ad. All right, so 5 equals 5. Is this the true statement? Don't overthink about it. Does the number 5 equal the number 5? Answer, yes, it does equal number 5. Let me give you an example, a different one. So does 5, second math, enter equal 1? Is 5 equal to 1? That's no, so I get a 0. So this is what I mean. When we type in a number, you're going to see right now, we need to know if I get my correct answer, we're looking for a 1. When I have a 0, it means this is my wrong answer. So here's how we're going to type it in. Let me move this to the side real quick. Hopefully you guys can still see it. All right, so real quick, I'm going to type in my equation. But when I type in my equation, I'm going to enter one of these answer choices right here. So for instance, 2 parentheses. Now I have an x. Now I'm going to substitute that x value that I just got. So I'm going to do another parentheses, -1, close it off. And then it's plus 2, parentheses, -5, equals. Now we're going to make equal sign. So you hit second math, enter. And then, so I have 3 parentheses. I need another parentheses because I want to put that same x value in. So hit parentheses, -1, close that bad boy off, plus 1, and then close it. So all I did was I took this equation right here, I typed it into this calculator, but anywhere there was an x, so right here and right here, I'm putting in whatever the x my answer choice is. Right now I'm going to test out -1. If I get a 0, then it's the wrong answer. That's the wrong answer. And if I get a 1, it's the right answer. So now that I have that typed in, I'm going to put it right here. I wish I could center it, but I can't. So I'm going to hit enter. 0 is 1. So I already know right off the bat, A cannot be my answer because I get a 0. So in order for me to do this much faster, if I go up here and press enter, I can highlight it. Now I'm going to try 5. So I'm going to delete this. 5, go over here and delete this. Type 5, enter. So this is not the right answer as well. Bam. So I'm going to go up here. Enter. I'm going to delete 5. I'm going to type -4. So bam, delete, -4, enter. I get a 1. So right off the back, I already know C is the answer choice. So that is a shortcut in using the calculator when you have an equal sign, right? So all you have to do is second math, and you hit number 1, and you type your equation. So you're always looking for a true statement. That's how you use the calculator, guys. Hope this is helpful. Please hit that like. Bam. Please hit that follow. Bam.